In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to disable end-to-end encryption in Messenger and explain why you might want to do so. If you've had trouble accessing your messages across multiple devices or using certain Messenger features, this could be the solution you need. To get started, open the Messenger app and ensure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the side menu. From there, tap on the gear icon to access Messenger settings. Once in settings, find and open the Privacy and Safety section. Under the Security category, locate the End-to-End Encrypted Chats feature. When you open it, you'll see a few options. Select the first one, called Message Storage. If this is enabled, end-to-end encryption is also active. To disable it, simply turn off the Secure Storage option, which will effectively disable end-to-end encryption. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Techful Things. See you next time.